In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning design using Canva, a versatile and user-friendly graphic design platform. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, Canva offers a wide range of tools and features that can help bring your creative ideas to life with ease. We'll go through some essential steps to help you get familiar with creating and customizing designs, focusing specifically on working with text. First things first, let's hop over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, we're going to start by creating a new canvas. For this tutorial, we'll set the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect for creating social media posts, especially Instagram, which thrives on that square format. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find a menu. Click on the text option. This is where we'll start adding some textual elements to our design. You'll see different options pop up. Click on Add a Heading to insert a large standout piece of text onto your canvas. With your new heading in place, the next step is to type in the text you want to display. This might be a title, a quote, or any other text element you want to emphasize. After typing, it's time to make it visually appealing by changing the font color. Choose a color that fits well with your design aesthetic or theme. Canva offers a palette of colors, but you can also customize and experiment with different shades to make your text pop. After setting the color, let's move on to changing the font style. Canva provides a plethora of fonts to choose from, ranging from classic to modern styles. Selecting a font style can greatly influence the tone of your design, so feel free to try out a few options until you find one that best represents your vision. Once you've selected the right style, adjust the text size accordingly. You want it to be readable and balanced within your design. An oversized font might overpower your design, while a font that's too small might not be visible enough. If you want to add more text, go ahead and repeat the same steps. Click on Text and choose Add a Subheading, or add a little bit of body text for variety. Type in whatever additional message you wish to convey, and again adjust the color, font style, and size to your liking. Next, for an added touch of creativity, select the text whose effect you want to enhance and click on Effects from the toolbar floating above your design. Select a style that adds depth or texture to your text, be it a shadow, lift, or glow effect. Once you're happy with how it looks, ensure your text is sized and positioned correctly within the overall layout to keep things neat and organized. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to create an attractive design using text in Canva. Feel free to play around with other elements and features as you become more comfortable. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.